Hi, I'm Jennifer, an audiologist from Hearing Partners Singapore. Today I'll be sharing about the Oticon RemoteCare mobile application. In view of times like the recent COVID pandemic, or simply just due to busy schedules or immobility, the Oticon RemoteCare app is the one-stop solution for you to enjoy getting your hearing aids adjusted at the comfort of your home. This service is available for the Bluetooth-enabled Oticon More, Oticon Open S, Oticon Open, Oticon Open Play, Oticon Exceed, Oticon Exceed Play, Oticon Ruby, and Oticon Sia hearing aids. The devices have to be paired to a smartphone prior to the remote tuning session. To get started, download the Oticon RemoteCare app on Google Play Store or Apple Store. In the app, you will be required to allow access to location, Bluetooth, camera, and/or microphone every time when prompted. You will need to sign up for an account either by using the credentials from your Apple, Google, or Facebook account, or using a valid email address. Follow the steps to complete the sign-up process and inform your service provider the email address that you have used. Whenever in need of remote assistance, contact your service provider and arrange a time where both parties are available for at least 30 minutes. When it is time to connect with your service provider, find a quiet and comfortable place to sit. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection and enabled Bluetooth. Go to the Oticon RemoteCare app, click on My Visit. Follow the instructions in the app to connect your devices and wait for your service provider to come online. Once connected, you may begin to share your concerns regarding the settings, and your service provider will do the necessary adjustments. After the changes have been uploaded to your devices, you'll be able to test the new settings instantly and provide feedback. When you're satisfied with your new settings, your service provider will save and end the session, thereby restarting the hearing aids. That marks the end of the remote tuning session, and you may proceed to use your hearing aids straight away. Through Oticon RemoteCare app, fine adjustments can be done to the hearing aid sounds to improve speech clarity and comfort. We can also eliminate any feedback sounds, which is a constant whistling noise caused by sound leakages. You will have to go down to our centres physically if you wish to purchase accessories, service or repair your hearing aids, or get a hearing test done. With the use of Oticon RemoteCare app, rest assured that you will continue to receive quality hearing aid support in times of inconvenience. Stay safe and healthy. Bye!